Our approach is to help people get things right first time, and taxpayers and agents are really at the heart of that. Their desire to work with us to get things right and their honest and open engagement really allows us to make improvements to the services and also to develop our support packages, for example our tax forums and webinars, in ways that will really make the most impact for them. Our wide-ranging partnerships have gone from strength to strength. For example, our relationship with NRW has continued to grow this year, and we strengthened our ways of working together, which has brought success in the waste crime area. And likewise, our work with Welsh Treasury, particularly around the development of the new visitor levy and national registration bill, has seen a relationship flourish on many levels and also provided a better outcome for citizens. As we transition to services model, we've been really grateful for the support and advice we've received from CDPS and other organisations who already operate in these ways. We've received a lot of training and support from them, helping our leadership team and our people move towards services.